Hi, and welcome to another episode of It's a Cooking Thing. Now today we're going to make 2 ingredient fudge. Okay, now for our 2 ingredient fudge, we're going to use 1 can of condensed sweetened milk and 2.5 cups of semi-sweet chocolates. And we're going to put it in a pan and heat it up. This is very, very simple to do. Out of here. And we just pour our milk. Okay, now we're going to put our condensed sweetened milk in here. I'm going to keep your heat down. Get all your milk. Then what you want to do is just melt your chocolate. Like I said, just watch your heat because you don't want to scorch or burn it. Okay, now we have about the right consistency that we're looking for. Now when your morsels and your condensed sweetened milk look like this, then it's ready to transfer to this container. And what you want to do, you don't have to, but I like to line it with parchment paper. That way the fudge comes out nicely and it's not stuck into the pan. Try to get every bit if you can. And what you want to do is just smooth this out. And get off the corners if you can. Sometimes your paper won't let it go, but don't worry about it. It is homemade. Now, and that's all you do. And I'm going to put that in my refrigerator for 1.5 hours. And when it's done, I'm going to take it out and cut it in little pieces. Okay, I have taken my fudge and let it sit in the refrigerator for about 1.5 hours. And I took it out and I sliced it up into little pieces, bite-sized pieces. Very good. It's only 2 ingredients. Well, thank you again for watching It's a Cooking Thing. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye-bye.